What's your biggest vice, Brad?
Probably poker.
To do, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there.
Didn't have momentum, but I felt cheap because I couldn't understand. Hey, I'm speaking on the physics of sound, but you have no idea what is music, how music works. So I picked up an instrument.
People think because I talk the way I talk, which is just sometimes I slur my words like one of my kids' friends.
Disconnected, this sort of like post-bio confidence going on just because you knew the cheddar potato thing. I think he's a nice guy.
I'm sorry, I'm making this about Jeff.
Your remarkable success, commercial success doing Ironman, to go back to a career where you did these really delicate little fine
carpenter. Do you know what carpentry? Carpentry is that kind of it's a Chinese
Pulls ass over to the fence, throws the reins at the next kid and says, "Here,
if it's possible, and if I had superpower, and let me tell you something, I got superpowers."
I love coffee shops, I love movie theaters, and comedy clubs. I love.
And his name's Gary Frick, and
really have a degree.
Perception. I got into composing and arranging and music.
You read it?
I have no idea.
it's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.